So welcome everyone, good afternoon. Welcome everyone to the online workshop for teachers, how to teach replacement, reduction and refinement, 3 R's of animal use in science. My name is Pamies. I'm from the University of Lausanne. I'm a co-organizer of this event together with European Commission, European SchoolNet and the Swiss 3R Competence Center. The idea of this workshop is to train teachers to educate about the 3 R's of animal experimentation. So what we want to give you in this workshop is knowledge, so you understand the concept and know why this is so important, and also give you tools that will facilitate the teaching when you try to teach this concept to the kids. So this is more or less the planning for the evening. I'm doing the housekeeping, and we will have an introduction from Jenny. Then we will have an introduction on the 3 R's and also the work that European Commission is doing in the 3 R's education activities. And then we are going to have 2 learning scenarios, one in replacement, one in reduction and refinement. And finally, in the second half of the workshop, we are going to have a lesson demonstration that will help you to understand how to implement these teaching scenarios. So after the end of each presentation, we will have time for some questions. So what I'm going to ask you is that you go into the reaction button, and then you will see here raise hand. So you can press this button, and we will take notes, and we will give you the microphone to talk and ask the questions. If we see that this is too long, we will keep the questions for the end of the workshop. Also, if anyone has some issues, you can write into the chat, and the chat is, you see this icon here. You can press it, and then we will receive the information. For the meeting, we are going to use 4 applications. These are web applications, so you don't need to download them. However, you can do it if you want to use it in your phone. They are really simple. You will see it's nothing to explain. Basically, you will have like a link you will press, and then you will enter the code, and it will redirect you to some questionnaires or some games. And also, we will use Padlet and Flinga to have like a board so we can all work together. But this will be explained by the teachers before use them.